Welcome are difference between remember and remind. So, remember word is used to recall something from memory. For example, I remember was in that museum before. Number 2, she remembered to bring her passport. Number 3, remember to charge your phone tonight. Number 4, do you remember the name of that actor? Now remind. It is used to make someone remember something. For example, she reminded him to check the email. Number 2, the teacher reminded us about the test. Number 3, this song reminds me of my childhood. Number 4, this reminds me to call the doctor. Remember and remind are common in words related to memory, although they have similar meanings, but they are used in different ways. In this lesson, you will learn the difference between remember and remind and how to use each word fairly with examples. What does remember mean? Remember means to keep something in your memory or recall something from the past. It is used when a person does not forget information, events, people, or experiences. Remember can also be used with two different words, structures, and the meaning change depending on the thought. Like remember to do something means we do not forget to do something. Remember doing something means recall something from the past. Examples. Do you remember of a first trip to the beach? Number 2, remember to lock the door before the day. Number 3, I remember meeting her at the conference. What does remind mean? Remind means to make someone remember something. When you remind someone, help them think about an idea, task, person, or event. Remind is usually used with these common structures. Remind someone to do something is to ask someone not to forget an action. Remind someone about something it is used to help someone remember an event or task. Remind someone of something is used for something causes memory. Examples. Which remind me to call the doctor. Number 2, she reminded him about the meeting tomorrow. Number 3, this song reminds me of my childhood. Example sentences with remember and remind. Below are example sentences showing how remember and remind are used in English. Examples with remember. Number 1, I remember our first trip to the beach. Number 2, do you remember we were parked the car? Number 3, he remembered to bring his passport. Number 4, remember to lock the door before you leave. Number 5, I remember meeting him at the conference. Number 6, she always remembers my birthday. Number 7, do you remember what the teacher said? Number 8, I remember seeing that museum. 4. Number 9, he remembers the name of all the cities. Number 10, I remember the house we lived in. Examples with remind. Please remind me to send the email later. Number 2, she reminded him about the doctor's appointment. Number 3, this letter reminds her of my childhood home. Number 4, the teacher reminded the students to study for the text. Number 5, that spell reminds me of my grandmother's tree. Number 6, he reminded me to bring my notebook. Number 7, the calendar reminds us about important events. Number 8, her voice reminds me of my sister. Number 9, please remind me about meeting tomorrow. Number 10, this song reminds you of my vacation.